Do your knees ache when you climb stairs? Does your back feel stiff in the morning? Or maybe your hips don't feel as flexible as they once did. If you're over 40, you're not imagining it. Your joints need more care than ever. The truth is, joint health is one of the biggest factors that determines how well you move, how active you feel, and how much independence you keep as you age. The good news? With the right exercises, you can protect your joints, reduce pain, and keep your body moving strong and free for decades to come. So why do joints start giving us trouble in midlife? Cartilage wears down. Over time, the cushioning tissue between bones naturally thins, making joints more vulnerable. Muscle mass decreases. Starting in your 40s, you lose muscle faster unless you actively rebuild it. Weaker muscles mean more stress on joints. Flexibility declines. Ligaments and tendons stiffen, limiting range of motion. Lifestyle factors, like sitting for long hours, carrying extra weight, or skipping exercise, add even more strain. The result? Aching knees, stiff hips, sore shoulders, and sometimes even fear of movement. But here's the secret. Movement is the very thing that protects joints. One of the best ways to protect your joints is low-impact cardio. These are exercises that keep you moving without pounding your knees or spine. Walking. A simple daily walk lubricates your joints, strengthens supporting muscles, and keeps your heart healthy. Start with 10 minutes and build up. Cycling. Stationary or outdoor cycling is fantastic for knee health because it builds leg strength without impact. Swimming and water aerobics. The buoyancy of water takes pressure off joints while still giving you resistance training. Perfect if you already struggle with pain. Elliptical machines. These mimic running without the heavy pounding of pavement. Aim for at least 150 minutes of low-impact cardio each week. That's just 30 minutes, 5 days a week, enough to keep your joints nourished and moving smoothly. Cardio is important, but it's strength training that really protects your joints long-term. Strong muscles act like shock absorbers, reducing the load on your knees, hips, and shoulders. Key exercises include squats and lunges, with proper form, to strengthen thighs and glutes, leg presses or resistance bands to build support around the knees, deadlifts or hip bridges for stronger hips and back, push-ups, rows, and shoulder presses for upper body joint support. If you're new to strength training, start with body weight or resistance bands. 2 to 3 sessions per week is enough to build muscle, improve posture, and reduce pressure on your joints. Muscles that are too tight pull on your joints, creating stiffness and even pain. That's why flexibility and mobility work is crucial. Stretching. Gentle stretches after workouts keep muscles long and joints mobile. Yoga builds flexibility, balance, and strength all at once. Plus, many poses reduce back and hip tightness. Dynamic mobility drills. Movements like leg swings, hip circles, or arm rotations prepare your joints for daily activity. Just 10 minutes of stretching or yoga a day can unlock stiffness and improve how your body feels. Here's something many people overlook. Balance. Falls are one of the leading causes of joint injuries in adults over 40. Practicing simple balance exercises reduces your risk. Try standing on one leg while brushing your teeth, using a balance board, or doing Tai Chi. These small challenges improve stability, protect joints, and prevent injuries before they happen. Exercise is powerful, but lifestyle choices make a big difference too. Stay at a healthy weight. Every extra pound puts about 4 pounds of pressure on your knees. Stay hydrated. Water helps maintain joint lubrication. Wear supportive shoes. The wrong footwear can throw off alignment and strain joints. Take breaks from sitting. Long hours at a desk stiffen hips, back, and shoulders. Stand up and stretch every hour. Think of joint health as a daily investment. Small changes today prevent bigger problems tomorrow. Not all exercises work for everyone. If your joints already ache, avoid high-impact workouts like long-distance running on hard pavement. Modify exercises to reduce strain. And if you experience sharp or persistent pain, don't ignore it. Check in with a healthcare provider or physical therapist. Sometimes simple adjustments or targeted therapy can make all the difference. Here's the bottom line. Your joints don't have to hold you back. With the right mix of cardio, strength training, flexibility, and balance, you can stay strong, mobile, and pain-free well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. It's not about moving less as you age, it's about moving smarter. Even 20 minutes a day of joint-friendly activity adds up to healthier, stronger joints over time. So don't wait for pain to stop you. Start today, because every step, Every stretch and every rep is an investment in your freedom, your mobility, and your future.